Okay, boys and girls, here is page 301, 301, and 302 of your PPS book. You can either take pictures of these two pages or you can fill it out in Google Sheets. But if you choose to upload a picture, you have to have both pages, not just this page. This page and the back. You have to upload 2 different pictures, not just one. Okay, let's read our example. The softball coach has a box filled with softballs. The weight of the empty box is 3 pounds. When it is filled with softballs, the box weighs 12 pounds. Each softball has a weight of 6 ounces. How many softballs are in the box? So they give you our conversion factor, but let's find the weight of the softballs in ounces. I'm going to walk you through these steps. They give you the answer, but we need to know for number 1. So 12 pounds was the amount the box weighed with the softballs in it. If you remember from our instruction book, we had to subtract the empty glass. Here we're subtracting the empty box. So the weight of all of it minus the empty box gave us 9 pounds. So the softballs alone weigh 9 pounds. But we need that in ounces. So they take 9 times 16 because there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. That gives us 144 ounces for the total weight of the softballs. But we need to know how many there are. And it says that each one weighs 6 ounces. So they said that the amount of softballs is equal to 6 times N. So we know that 144 was the weight of the softballs. And 6 stands for 1 softball. So 6 times the number will give us 144. To find that, you have to take 144 divided by 6. That gives us 24, so there are 24 softballs in that box. Number 1, it says, look at the example above. Explain why you need to find the weight of softballs in the box in ounces. Well, we need to make sure that we are using the same weight. We need to make sure that we are using the same measurement for our problem, right? And it said that 1 softball weighs 6 ounces. So we have to use ounces because the weight of 1 softball is in ounces. All measurements need to be the same to compare. Okay, let's read number 2. Tyson's baby brother weighed 7 pounds 3 ounces when he was born. The baby lost 9 ounces after a few days and then gained 1 pound 6 ounces by the end of the week. How much did the baby weigh at the end of the week? So I gave you some tips over here. 1 pound, remember, is 16 ounces. You have to find out how much did the baby weigh when it was born. Okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2, subtract 9 ounces. Step number 3 is to add 1 pound 6 ounces. And you need to convert this to how many ounces is in 1 pound. Convert that to ounces. That has to be all ounces before you add. Okay, and then you can write your final answer on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and flip the page. So when you take pictures, you have to turn this page in too.